my new exhaust. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little something different. I'm going to be cleaning out my garage because you guys can see it is a mess. I have tons of parts that I need to get rid of, so you'll be able to see today's video all these parts if you're interested in any. I'm also going to try to give the Evo a little wash because this thing is filthy. I have not washed it in such a long time. Pretty much we'll be catching up. I have so much stuff to update you guys when it comes to my Raptor, when it comes to the Evo, when it comes to the Civic. I want to give you guys updates on all of the cars, what's been going on, what's the plans, and things like that. And we're also going to do some garage cleanup and hopefully clean up the Evo as well. Before we continue with today's video, I like to mention that it is brought to you by MANSCAPED. I am so excited to be one of the first to take a sneak peek of the Beard Hedger trimmer. Now, you guys know that MANSCAPED kills it when it comes to trimming products. If you guys haven't checked out their other products, be sure to do so. But today, we're going to be talking about the Beard Hedger trimmer. This thing has 7,200 RPMs plus titanium blades, and the coolest thing ever, guys, this thing has a dial, which is so cool. No need to change out your guards. This thing does it all as close as you want it, or as least amount of hair that you want to get rid of. You can do it all with just one single guard. Also want to mention the Beard Hedge trimmer lasts up to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, guys. You can be shaving your beard for 60 minutes before you get indicated that you need to charge it. It does have a 3-level power indicator, so it will let you know when it starts running low. Did I mention that this thing was waterproof? So if you're one of those people that like to shave in the shower, be sure to bring this with you. You can save time and get it all done without having to worry about getting it wet. So be sure to head to manscaped.com and get 20% off plus free shipping by using my promo code PRBeauty. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Manscaped for giving me the opportunity to give you guys the best deal yet. So let's continue with today's video. Alright guys, so first things first, I am headed to the gym, but before I hit the gym, I'm meeting up with Javier from that racing channel. I did him a solid. He actually just broke his sequential trans. I should say he broke the inner casing on it. So Mark from GP1 Racing, I was over there not too long ago, so I picked up the transmission for him, and now Javier's here in Orlando like I am, so I was like, dude, I'll bring it back for you. So meeting up with him to give him that sequential. He can explain further how he broke it when I see him, but it's pretty much good to go in the back of my trunk. So I'm gonna meet up with him, I'm gonna hit the gym, get a quick workout in, then we're gonna head back home and start taking things out of the garage because it is a complete mess in there and I need to get rid of so many parts. I have so much stuff that is just sitting there. So we're gonna do that and hopefully wash the Evo as well. And I say hopefully because as y'all can see right now, it is quite a cloudy day. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. Supposedly it's not, but it looks pretty gloomy over here. And usually when it's like this, we're gonna get some drizzles. So we'll see if I'm able to wash the Evo with some of my Adams Polishes products. And then we'll just go from there. So let's go meet up with Javier. All right, guys, I'm here with Javier.
What's going on, Joanna?
We've got a very expensive part back here.
You saved the day.
Got your baby here. This thing looks super nice. Wait till you see it.
Oh, that's a little shiny bit there.
Definitely shiny, some shiny parts there. How'd you break this?
You sent it a little too hard.
You did set it a little bit too hard.
We've been sending it too hard on the stock case, so
for sure.
All the all-wheel drive Honda guys know that these break, I mean, pretty easily. The car's super heavy. It's probably making 1,000 horsepower, maybe just a hair north of 1,000, maybe if we had to guess. And yeah, I think I think you have some of the pictures, but we cracked the case.
Yes.
Factory bell housing.
Factory inner case broke,
Yep.
which is kind of common when you're putting down a lot of power. So
yeah.
Now you should be good to go with this.
Mark did us a favor.
Yes,
quick rush job.
For sure. Luckily, I was headed there to drop off some parts, and yours was pretty much ready, so I picked it up. And here we are. So I'm excited to see this back together. I've been watching your videos, man. It's pretty cool. I saw the one with Boosted Boys. That one was pretty cool.
That was a ton of fun.
And Kyle's used to the sequential too, so it was cool to see him drive it.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Blast, man. Those guys are the best, honestly, man. The energy from those guys and Brent and Kyle.
I agree. They do have
so good.
Really good energy. I'm hoping to do something with them in the future as well. I want to race them in my Evo, even though the sequential will definitely. I think that NSX it'll be a nice race. Let's just say.
For sure.
Got it. Didn't even need me this time. All right, so the goods are secured. I'm excited to see this thing go back in.
Here we go. I'm so stoked.
Hopefully one day we can go for a ride. Cause
have you driven a sequential before?
I've never driven one, but I have rode. I think you gave me a ride in the TRC one.
Ready?
Yeah. Holy crap!
And the
TRC
sequential
Evo.
Yeah.
Yep, which I think Real Street has now. Tim has it?
Tim has it.
Yeah, that was pretty fun. That was at IFO, I think, or some event we were at the track. No, that was actually in West Palm.
Oh, the Invitational.
Yes,
Yep.
That was your event.
It was a TRC Invitational. Yep.
We'll have to add a clip of that in there. That was the last time I rode
when we
one.
get it fixed up and get it back in, we're going to have to take you for a ride.
For sure, that'll be really fun.
And let you drive it.
That'd be cool.
We might get you hooked and you'll have to get a sequential then. So.
I know. I'm debating on what I'm going to do with the Evo. Because I still have a stock trans, and I'm like sequential, or do I just build it? But I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So I don't know. Maybe this will determine what's next.
You'll get the itch after driving it.
For sure. I'm sure I will. It seems pretty cool.
Yeah, no, it's a cool experience.
Awesome, man. It was nice seeing you.
No, thank you so much.
Take care.
Yep, take care.
All right, guys. Now that we met up with Javier, I'm going to head into the gym now and get a quick workout in. Then from there, we are going to go pick up some oil for the Evo. I have plenty of oil filters at the house, but I need to buy some VR1 oil. I need to do an oil change on the car soon, so that'll probably be the next video, along with taking it to get the exhaust done, because that box has been sitting in the garage for a while. So I'll be showing you guys the exhaust today and what it looks like. And guys, it's super nice. I bought a STM titanium exhaust. I can't wait to get it on the car and just hear what it sounds like. So I made a post on Instagram talking about the Evo, what I wanted to do with it. I was like, I don't know if to sell it. I don't know if I should keep it. I don't know if I should switch it up. I don't want to say I'm getting tired of the car, because it's a fun car and it always puts a smile on my face when I drive it, but it just sits. I don't get to enjoy it as much. And I don't know, I've had the Evo for 4 years now, and it's kind of like I'm to the point where I don't know if I want to keep throwing money at it, to be honest. Building a new trans, new final drive, I'm gonna have to upgrade the case, do a billet case, transfer case, and all of that stuff. I'm looking at another $10,000 probably with all of that added up. And I'm currently building a race car. You guys know that's expensive. So the Civic is costing me a lot. It's not cheap to build a sport front or X front wheel drive car at all. Not complaining, because I'm happy with the process and everything that's going along, but I just don't know if I want to keep throwing money at the Evo. So I don't know what the answer is yet. I don't know if I should just build it. I don't know if I should sell it. I've obviously heard that the value continues to go up on the Evos, but it's literally just a garage queen right now. I don't get to enjoy it as much. I'm literally working during the week and weekends, pretty much dedicated to getting the race car buttoned up, following up with people, and I don't know, guys. I don't know what's next with the Evo, so that's gonna be something to think about. So comment below, let me know what you guys think I should do, what you guys want to see on the channel, and what you would do if you were in that situation. That's enough talking. Let's go get these gains and hit the gym. Workout done. I'm all sweaty. Before we head to Advance to get some oil, stopped at Planet Smoothie really quick. Get me a quick smoothie in, and then we will head to Advance and pick up the oil for the Evo. All right, guys, I'm finally back home. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed really quick and then pull the Evo out, and we can begin clearing out the garage, seeing what I have for sale, and hopefully making some room because it's a mess in here. So let's go get changed. I'm back with a quick outfit change. Before I get started with going through this stuff in the garage, I'm gonna go ahead and move the Evo out. so I got this cool little GoPro hat off of Amazon. So today I'm gonna be doing kind of like a POV style, but I want you guys to kind of get both sides of views. So right now, kind of just organizing the garage. I'm about to go through some of this stuff and show you guys what we have for sale. I'm gonna work on posting all of this stuff on the website. So by the time you watch this video, every item that I'm gonna show you today should be on my website for sale. So don't miss out. www.joannagmarie.com. Got the Evo parts right over there. So we are going to give it a wash really quick. I haven't washed the car in so long. I have tons of Adams polishes, stuff that I'm gonna be using to detail the car. So let's go through some of this stuff, guys. All right, so here we got the VR1 oil that I'm gonna be using to change the Evo, and probably my next video, I'm gonna be putting it here, and I have tons of filters stocked up and ready to go. So this is gonna be one of the next videos that I do for you guys. I've done, I feel like a few oil changes in the Evo, but I've never done one here at my house before. So that will be the first time that I do the oil change here in my house. Got the Adam polishes on deck. You can also use my promo code PRBeauty to save money on all your Adam polishes products. I have a little bit of cool stuff here, so we're gonna be using some of this today to detail the car. In the meanwhile, guys, we got a lot of stuff. Gotta get rid of these doors. I'm gonna put on my website 150 bucks for both doors. Take them, come pick them up, please. I will not be shipping them because as you guys can see, they're pretty big. Do want to note the only damage we have is this one side right here. This is the passenger side door that was damaged from my accident, but driver's side is still good. Also have my OEM trunk here and the CCC racing wing that I had mounted on it. So I can give you a combo deal if you want to pick up both. If not, I'll be listing both separately on my website. We've got the CCC drag race side skirts. Now all this can be cleaned up really. Honestly, this is just really dirty as you guys can see, but these stickers can come right off, and you can just have the carbon background. So let's go through some of this stuff and get organized in here. Got this catch can I need to get rid of. This needs to go. Custom baffled catch can from Axiom Race Fabrication, ready to go for you. I am just running a complete setup this year, so if you're interested, I had no issues with this at all, and this is posted on my website. Also have the K-Series valve cover. Gonna leave this wrapped up. Type S oil pump here. This is also on my website, ready to go. Got the Clutchmaster 725 series clutch. This is brand new and on my website as well. All right, now that I cleared out the garage, I can finally open. Don't judge what I'm cutting the box with. He always works. My new exhaust. Ooh. That looks so nice. Like I said, guys, this full titanium. Holy, this is so light. Super nice. And then the actual exhaust should be below. Look at that. Yay! I'm so excited. All titanium. The burnt blue tip. Super nice. Oh, I forgot I had ordered this. Here you have it, guys. STM full Evo 8 titanium exhaust. I cannot wait to put this on the car, and also can't wait to hear what it sounds like. This is so nice, and like I said, it's extremely lightweight. So we're definitely gonna be saving some weight when it comes to this. All right guys, here you have it. The Evo is all nice and clean and ready to be parked back in the garage, but I promise you guys I have some cool content coming this month. Got some cool collabs planned as well. See if I can get some friendly runs in, because it's been a while since I really raced anyone in this thing. So I have a lot of stuff planned. And also, as I showed you guys that exhaust earlier, I really want to get that installed this month as well. So the Evo is going to be getting a lot of love this month while the Civic is down and still getting the cage completed. See, it's moments like this where she's all cleaned up and I look at it and I'm just like so happy with the progress and how far the car has come and really how I've built it. This is really when I debate on selling it. I'm like, I love it. The car looks so clean and it's just, in my opinion, perfect. So I really don't know what else I would change other than upgrading the drivetrain so that I can do more pulls. Then eventually we're gonna have to do something with this engine because I can't make any more power with the way it's built right now. So really want to keep it the same, and I guess if it ain't broke, you don't fix it, like they say. So until I start breaking stuff, I'll just continue to run everything, keep the engine same turbo size, and hopefully, let's see if I just end up upgrading the drivetrain. I don't know. Again, guys, comment below. What do you guys think I should do? I'll be really sad and probably miss this car if I sell it. But like I said, I'm in so deep and I really don't know what else I want to do. And it sits a lot in the garage, so we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing, but for sure I have a lot of stuff planned and a lot of collabs to come this month, regardless of what I end up doing with it. All right, guys, garage is clean, Evo is clean. It's time to park this thing back in here and end the vlog here. It's been one crazy day. I'm ready to go take a shower and start getting dinner ready and start uploading this content so that I can get this out to you guys. So I have a lot of work to do. I gotta make sure I have all of this stuff on the website, so I'll be working on that. Stay tuned. Again, www.joannagmarie.com. You can also check out my merch there as well. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed something different. Brought you guys along the way with tons of things that I really had to get done today. So next video we got coming, we gotta do oil change on the Evo. We've gotta do the exhaust. And we got some dope collabs coming. So be on the lookout. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my videos. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one.